Good morning, guys. Today I am sitting on my couch right now drinking my morning coffee. Look at this cute mug that my friend Sammy got me. I love this thing. It's like adorable and it suits me so well. Look at the rosy cheeks. Today, what I'm thinking about doing is bringing you to Aldi with me. I have been trying to do better about eating healthier and working out. And so, in effort to do better, I have been meal planning. And I thought maybe you guys might enjoy coming along, watching me do a little shopping. I'm not sure how much I'll be actually vlogging in Aldi because, I don't know. Vlogging in public, I'm not sure about that yet. I know people do it, but like around this area, I don't see a lot of people doing it, so I think they might look at me weird. But yeah, I hope that you will come along with me and we'll see where things go. Let's go shopping at Aldi together. I will share with you what I put on my face. I didn't really want to put very much makeup on, but I did want to put something on. Pretty much all I did was I washed my face and I put on my e.l.f. Hello Hydration face cream, and then I put on my CeraVe sunscreen that is SPF 30. I used this concealer underneath my eyes and around my nose where it gets red. Then I put the mineral foundation on over top of that, and I put on a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of blush, mascara, put a little bit of eyebrows, made it a little bit more even, and then lastly I put on lipstick. So I have my Bite Beauty lipstick here, and I like Chai. It's a really pretty color, and I even put my gloss over top. So during the summer, a lot of times I will wear my gloss, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Not too much work put into it, but a little more presentable. So now I'm going to go and get my bags. I like to take reusable bags to Aldi so I don't have to buy bags or have boxes and stuff. So that is what I'm going to be grabbing, and then we will be on our way. I'm sitting on my kitchen floor. We are back, and I decided I kind of wanted to do a little haul. It's going to be real quick. I'm going to go through it fairly quickly, but I've got my little receipt here to kind of go over the prices. I spent $50.33, which to me is pretty good because I go to the store probably every 2 weeks or so, so this is like $25 a week. Now that I'm meal prepping, I'm trying to cut down on eating out. Let's just get started. I love these. These are salmon burgers, and this one is the Chipotle flavor. They also have teriyaki. There comes 4 in a box, and let's see, it cost $4.99. 4 different meals, so it's $1.25 each. And I think that that's pretty decent. I also bought my Live gluten-free bread. This is the whole grain kind. They also have a white bread kind, and that is $3.99. And there's a good few. For me, I don't need a really long loaf of bread. And the reason why I buy gluten-free is because I actually have an autoimmune disease, and I'm trying to be careful about the amount of gluten that I take in. So I am not gluten-free, but I am low gluten. I talked in another video where I had a little bit of something going on here, and I wasn't sure what it was, but I find that eating better actually has cleared that up a little bit more. It's not gone, but it's a lot better. So that's interesting to me. Of course, I had to get some milk. This is organic, 0%, $2.89. I got some broccoli. I like to grill this. It's something I like to put with my chicken. Speaking of chicken. Here is 2.49 pounds, and it was $2.69 per pound. I've got 2 blocks of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm a cheese lover, so kind of had to stock up on the cheese. I also got 2 bags of Baby Bell cheese, and they come with 6 in each, and they're $2.68 each bag. The sharp cheddar cheese is $1.69 each block. I also got guacamole, which I have become obsessed with. I used to hate guacamole and avocados, but something switched in my taste buds and now I really love it. This was $2.99, and then I also got mini cucumbers that I like to chop up and dip in it, and these cost $1.89. I also picked up some parsley spice, dried parsley, 95 cents. I got some red and yellow and orange bell peppers. That cost $2.79. Blueberries, $1.49. Can you believe that this pack cost $1.49 at Aldi? Like, it's so cheap. And I know that when you go to Kroger and other places, even Walmart, that berries can cost so much. But let me tell you, Aldi has the best prices. Like, it saves so much money, and that's why I go there, because I'm just not ashamed to go to Aldi because it's so much less money, and I feel like I'm actually getting a lot of good things for inexpensive, and I'm able to actually sustain myself. This is fresh sweet cherries. I'm super excited. This is the best stuff. I love cherries. Every year I look forward to summertime because I can eat sweet cherries and they're so good. This bag, mind you, is 2 pounds, and it was $4.99 each pound, so this cost $10.43. Probably my most expensive thing, but because I shop at Aldi and I had all these other things, I felt like I could afford this. It's a sweet treat that I'll have in my fridge for a while, and it's worth it to me. Oh, and eggs. This was 50 cents. And that's it. That's my haul. So that completes this part of the video. I am going to move on in a bit and show you how I prepare my things. I like to meal prep, and I like to cut up my vegetables so that way they don't sit in my fridge untouched and then start rotting before I get to them. If I go ahead and prepare them, wash them, cut them, clean them, cook them however I plan on eating them, and have them ready to eat in my fridge in containers, in bags that I can just grab and go, then it really helps. It really caters to my busy lifestyle, and I can actually effectively eat healthy and use the foods that I spent good hard-earned money on. So if you are enjoying this, then obviously keep on watching because I'm going to continue on a meal prep journey here. Hey guys, it's a new day. I ended up not being able to meal prep on that same day. So excuse the noise. I've got my dishwasher going, and anyway, I just kind of wanted to take you along in the middle of washing all of the vegetables and cutting them up, and I'm about to get my chicken on the George Foreman grill. The spice I like to put on my chicken is this Creole seasoning. This is the more spice one, so it's extra spicy. I also have this J.Q. Dickinson salt that I use, and it is the Bloody Mary salt, and it's actually a salt that is made here in the Canal Valley, which is very near to where I am. So that's what I will be putting on the chicken, and then let me turn you around. My vegetables here, I've got my chicken, and then I've got my George Foreman grill fired up here, and then my vegetables I have cut up, and this is where we're at. So I like to clean my veggies with this Rebel Green Fruit and Veggie Wash, and I just spray it onto my veggies, and then kind of just do this, and then I rinse it, and it gets some of the pesticide off, and it's just an easy way to get the dirt off as well. my containers, I have about 7 of these different containers where I make sure that I chop up the chicken so that way whenever I'm actually eating, I don't have to go and find a knife and it be an extra step for me to eat. So it's just, I make it literally so easy, so I grab this and I can just eat this on the go with no hassle. And then I have this container of quinoa that I made that is really good, and I can include the recipe if you guys are interested. And it's a fairly simple recipe with packed full of vegetables and things like that. And then I also chop up my other vegetables and bag them up so that way they are on the go. I also like to dip it into guacamole, and sometimes I just eat them raw. Guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope that you really enjoyed watching me meal prep, go shopping, and all that jazz. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like makeup and lifestyle videos, then just subscribe to my channel on YouTube. And I am raddancer17 on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat if you want to follow me, and other places. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye!